Hi guys, I'm in Camp Hill and I'm checking out this amazing home and have a look at those American shingles that are on there. Beautiful. So I can't wait to go inside and take a bit of a sneak peek. So let's go in and have a look. I've just walked in through the front gate and oh my goodness guys, I'm blown away by this front entrance. All I'm seeing is these tiles. I'm just walking up because I have to take a closer look. Have a look at these tiles. They're so beautiful. I love the checkered black and white. It's so classic, but it's such a bold statement, and I did not expect this at all looking from the outside, but I'm gonna walk straight in because I need to take a peek inside. And I can see that the beautiful tiles are carried through to the entryway here. It's beautifully decorated. It's got the most gorgeous light fixture as well. And then I'm walking straight into the house and I'm invited by this beautiful, rich hardwood floors. And I'm just walking into the first bathroom, which is on your left-hand side. And look at the tiles. So the tiles are like basically a little mini version of what they have in their outdoor patio. It's beautiful. I love also that's wallpaper up there, black wallpaper that you see. So a very bold choice as well, but it works perfectly. And I'm just going to step down into this little area here, which they're currently using as an entertaining area. So you've got your pool table, but have a look at these beautiful arched windows. So they've got 3, so lots and lots of natural light. And then they've got a beautiful wine display cabinetry here. And I haven't seen this before because they've got the glass at the back there and I think it's fabulous. It looks great. And just across here, you've got a beautiful stone fireplace on your right hand side, but we'll take a closer look afterwards because I am heading straight for the kitchen. So you've got a couple of steps here, which I'm going to go up now. And so you've got your beautiful classic traditional white kitchen with a large kitchen island, beautiful marble. But what I love is they've actually used black bench top. So it's really great against the white and the grey that they've got here. Now have a look at this beautiful cabinetry here. It's so gorgeous. And then this is probably my favorite feature. So you've got a beautiful sink area with an arched window. So you always have lots of natural lighting and you can look outside when you're doing the dishes, which is, you've got a bit of a view. I'm walking into their very, very large Butler's pantry. Have a look at this. It's huge. So there's actually currently the owners live here, so I found that it was perfectly clean and tidy. So you got to keep in mind that this house is not for sale. There's people living in this amazing home, and I'm lucky enough to take you through so you can have a bit of a look with me. Now I'm walking into the open plan living and have a look at these amazing coffered ceilings. I love the paint choice that they've got there, the dark grey, almost blue against the white. But I'm heading back out into the beautiful outdoor entertaining area, and I can see a stone chimney just across there as well, fireplace, which is amazing. But this whole outdoor area is so large and spacious, guys. Can you just imagine all the parties and entertaining that you can do? There's a beautiful arched window that we saw before in the kitchen. I absolutely love these fans as well. They've got that really sort of gorgeous, tropical, elegant feel to it. And then here, you've got a beautiful barbecue area, which you saw, but I'm heading straight into the pool house. And take a look inside here. So wow, into this pool house, you've got a wonderful bar area, but you've also got a TV, a dining area too. But check out this marble. It almost has like a purplish specks through it. It's beautiful. I haven't seen anything like it. I'm going to head back out so we can have a look again at that beautiful area. And then now I can actually show you properly these coffered ceilings because I can't go past them. I just love the contrast of the dark against the white. It's beautiful. So you got your beautiful living area here, built-in cabinetry across there as well, your dining area, and then your amazing kitchen with those fabulous pendants. So beautiful. So this home, I can already tell, it's got your basically your classic black and white features, very elegant. And have a look at this grand staircase with that chandelier, just stunning. Now before I take you upstairs, I'm going to go straight around the corner here because I think on my left hand side I'm heading straight into the laundry. So love the color choice of the cabinetry here, and again you've got like a black bench top, which is beautiful, and very spacious laundry which takes you straight outside into your outdoor area. I am loving this house so far, guys. It is so beautiful. It's so elegant and classic, and here we are, we're just taking a peek at this amazing fireplace. Have a look at that. Look at that stone feature. I love it. All right, but let's go upstairs and see what's up here. It's such a large and spacious home. I know that it's got about, I think it's got maybe about 5 bedrooms. So I'm not going to walk into every single room because, as I said, there's people living here. But I'm going to still take a bit of a sneak peek around for you. So you had a beautiful desk there for study desk. And here you've got your gorgeous powder room. And have a look at this wallpaper. It goes all the way around. So every inch of this wall is covered in wallpaper. Such a great idea if you've got a small space and you don't know what to do with it. Adding wallpaper just completely changes the feel. And here you've got the guest bathroom. Loving the tiles, kept very elegant and classic. Beautiful marble. I love that round mirror. And have a look at these sconces, these beautiful lights. Just beautiful. I'm going to head back out. And I'm going to see if I can find the master bedroom. So I'm going to take a right up, and here I am. This is the master bedroom, and oh my goodness, it is the size of my house. It is so large and spacious and beautiful bedding here. I love the bed head. And then across here, you can see how much storage space they have. Look at all those cupboards. Built-in cupboard, beautiful. I'm going to go straight into their walk-in cupboard. Wow. Have a look how spacious. Again, you've got so much storage. It honestly feels so luxurious in here. One can only dream to have a walk-in wardrobe that looks like this. I mean, have a look at that dome. So it's got like a dome, and you've got a chandelier. You've got the most amazing window seat. So beautiful. And actually this dome here, you can see from the exterior of the house, and that's actually covered in shingles in the external facade. And now I'm walking into the beautiful master bathroom. Again, look at the tiles. So this home, you can see that they've really thought about every detail because it all blends in. It relates to the front entry with the beautiful black and white tiles. You've also got a beautiful makeup area here as well. Very spacious. And then you've got your toilet on your right, and then you've got the most beautiful shower. Have a look at the use of tiles. So you've got, again, your black and your white and grey. Just stunning. Very chic and elegant, I have to say, this home. Beautiful. So I'm going to head back out, and I'm going to, I think, going to take a peek at one last room for you guys. And this looks like a nursery. So it's very spacious. It's gorgeous. I actually love that cot. So unique. And then you've got a feature wall. So I just absolutely adore this home. Every single room and space had the most beautiful lighting selection. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tour because I feel so lucky to have looked inside this wonderful home. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.